Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change and configure the Microsoft Edge of proxy settings on your computer. So basically the proxy settings for Microsoft Edge are the proxy settings for the whole computer. I'm not aware of any specific proxy settings, but you can adjust within Microsoft Edge or within Microsoft Edge itself. That doesn't just redirect you back to the default Windows proxy settings. And then I'll show you how to address that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type proxy settings and then click open, and open up here at proxy settings, and you can see now on right side there's a proxy, and the next step, and then you need to select this manual proxy setup, and on right side then you can see here the setup, and then click, and then pop up this edit proxy server. So use a proxy server. So all you have to do is to turn off first this button. So we need to enable this button and then click, and then once you turn on, and then you can start now to enter this new proxy IP address. So just type, and then also you can add this new port, and then again here, use the proxy server except for address that start with the following entries. Use semicolons to separate entries. And then also you can fill out this. And next step, then once you complete for giving this correct informations about the proxy IP address, and then click save. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change and configure Microsoft Edge proxy settings. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.